Hey, this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System. Um, System powered by IDP to assess the level of the candidate. My name is Pamela Singh and today I'll be conducting your all speaking test, right? So the candidate number is the 111064 and the candidate name is Mandeep Kaur. Okay, so shall we start? So what's your full name?
My full name is Mandeep Kaur.
Okay, and how can I address you?
You can address my first name Mandeep Kaur.
Okay, so where do you come from?
Well, I come from Mappa Place. It's a small place near to Miracle Jammu Masjid.
Okay, so now let's talk about breaks. So how often do you take breaks?
Well, honestly, I often take 1 and a half hour break in my daily life because I think it is a necessary for me, and I feel very energetic after taking a break.
Okay, what do you generally do when you take a break?
Well, mostly when I take a break at that time, I mostly feel relaxed and I'm asleep, and I do exercises like I do exercises which make me more energetic.
Is taking breaks common in your country?
Definitely, in my country, mostly break are most important because when people take a break and they feel relaxed as well as they reduce their stress.
Okay, so why do you need to take a break?
Well, I think mostly whenever I do work hard, after that we feel a stress on their mind as well as when we take a break. After that we feel active and we do another work with full activeness.
Okay, when was the last time you took a break?
Well, yesterday I took a break. In that time I take a nap, and after that I start my work.
Did you enjoy that break? Did you enjoy that break?
Definitely, I enjoyed that break because that time I spend the time with my friends, and also I feel more fresh as well as active.
Okay, last question. Do you prefer a long break or number of short breaks?
Mostly I prefer a number of short break because I do not waste my time, because in that time I feel more I feel fresh as well as and after that I start my another work.
This is the end of part 1. For part 2, here is the key card with some questions. Please don't turn it over yet. Right? You will have a minute to look at the questions and to grab some ideas. You can use this notepad and pencil if you wish to. Right? I'll let you know when to start, when to stop. Okay? So please turn it over. Okay, miss, your time is up. Please start to speak now.
Well, there are a plethora of time which I share my things with my friends as well as my family member. But here I would like to talk about the thing that I shared with my cousin sister. Actually, my cousin sister living in Chandigarh. for her father business. And after that she in the holiday vacation when she visit in my home, and that time I shared my bedroom with her, and that time I enjoy a lot, and I spend quantity of time with her. And also she is a very she was a very kind-hearted person that time, and I felt very happy to share my bedroom. And also and that time we eating together, TV watch together, and also play together. And I shared, not only I shared my bedroom, but also I shared my toys and notebooks, which they mostly she's interested in painting, and that time she made up lots of painting which is liked by my family. And in that painting I also that painting also decorated my home. So that was the time when I shared my bedroom with my cousin sister.
Okay, so that's the end of part 2. Can I have the questioning card back? Okay, thank you. So now I'll ask you some follow-up questions, Rick. So what was the last time you remember when you shared something?
During the lockdown, that time I shared my laptop with my friends, because that time my friend feel very bored, and that time she said me I wanted to take your laptop. So that time I shared laptop with my friends.
Okay, so what's your personal opinion on sharing?
Well, as far as I consider that mostly sharing is a good habit for everyone. When people share anything their life related to their personal things, and things like which help everyone to when they want to take, and that time I think it help a lot, and mostly sharing is a good habit.
What things according to you can be shared very easily?
Well, I think mostly dresses, clothes, and bedrooms, and Tiffin also sharing things which people can as well as adults can share their friends. And mostly when they shared anything, their friends as well as their elder ones, at that time they feel very happy.
Okay. Next question, what kind of things do you think are not suitable for sharing?
Mostly I think their personal documents as well as regarding their precious regarding their expensive things. I think that things are not sharing with anyone. And
Okay, what age according to you is suitable to inculcate sharing in a child?
well, this word inculcate new frame for me. Can you explain a little bit?
Yep. What age, in your opinion, is suitable to help a child learn about sharing?
Well, I think when they become independent, mostly when they are 14, and as well as when they become mature, in that time that age are mostly important, and that time they learn about sharing as well as good skills, social skills, which help to develop their holistic development.
Okay. So do you think technology to be a hindrance to the virtue of sharing?
What is the meaning of hindrance?
Do you think that technology is a negative, is the reason behind the decreasing level of sharing?
Well, I think no, because sharing is another part and technology is another part. mostly people are share their things when their relative when their relative invite in her home in their home, and that time they share their house with them and room. And technology is another part. When the people help a lot, when the people are circumstances, that time they take money through the technology, and I think both are important, but mostly sharing is most important.
Okay, so do you think sharing is common in your country?
Definitely, sharing is mostly common in my country because mostly people share their things with their close one, and that time they feel very happy, as well as they show their careness as well as love.
Okay, thank you, sir.